exercising that consistency muscle, which is something that I really struggle with. So I have been a little bit MIA. I don't really have a reason why. I think that the summer always kind of takes over my life. And this year in particular, I feel like I was a little bit focused on, you know, my 30th birthday and like wanting to do certain things before I turn 30. I don't know why we do that to ourselves. And then it just hit me, like, I really miss creating content and like, you know, making these vlogs. I asked on Instagram if, you know, you guys wanted to see more vlogs. A lot of you apparently like these, so I'm gonna jump back into them. I know they're not for everyone, and I know not everyone's interested in like my personal life and the behind the scenes of stuff, but it's more also for me. I like looking back on older vlogs and like seeing how much I've grown and, you know, how I've changed throughout the weeks, months, years. For me, it's also about exercising that consistency muscle, which is something that I really struggle with. I will do something and I'll do it consistently for like a week, 2 weeks, maybe like a month. I never go any further than that, and that's something that, you know, I definitely want to change about myself. Creatively, I want to get better at editing and I want to get better at, you know, videography and stuff like that. So here we are. So today is Monday, it is Labor Day, and I'm off from work, obviously. I thought it would be a good time to clean up my closet. I have a lot of clutter going on and I haven't like done a good clean out. Like, some of my drawers don't make sense right now. I'm starting this a little bit late in the day because it's about to be 4 and I might regret this later, but I figure let me just start because otherwise I'll just never do it. I'm kind of in the mood to do that right now, kind of. I'm gonna show you guys how I clean out my closet and get ready for fall. Let's get started. We have groceries. So you guys love when I show our groceries, so I'll show you really quickly. I just got some of the essentials. And I ordered from Fresh Direct, in case you're wondering. Got these stuffed portobello mushrooms, and they're stuffed with cheese, artichoke, and spinach. I already tried those and they're incredible. I also got some baby kale, some fresh cut up watermelon. I don't know why I was craving this. So this is rosemary grilled chicken breast, and I love these to just toss in a salad or like in a bowl during the week with some quinoa and vegetables. So delicious. Some eggs. I got some quick oats. I love that to make raw bars, and I also make overnight oats during the week, and I prefer the quick oats because they're a little bit easier to digest. I got a zucchini, got some quinoa, I ran out of that. I got some grass-fed beef, sweet potatoes. I hate that they use all this extra packaging, it's so not necessary. I like defeats the whole purpose. I got some manchego cheese, and I love to just have this on hand for a quick snack with some crackers. And that's really all I got. Boring, I know. So I put away groceries, and now we can get started with this little project. So as you can see, my closet is a little bit jam-packed at the moment. So I have this rack here, and I'm gonna put stuff that I am either not loving or stuff that I need to put into storage because it's like true summer stuff that I'm not gonna wear anymore. is the denim drawer, and I can finally close this. I literally went through and tried on every single pair of denim that I own, and I'm getting rid of this whole pile here. So all of these. I'm just so happy with how organized this looks. And now on to this next drawer. I hope you guys can hear me because I have the air fryer going, but as you can see, I took a break from my closet, which is going to be like an ongoing project. I'm definitely not going to finish today because there's just a lot of stuff that I have to go through. I tried on my entire drawer of denim. I think I told you guys that already. And so now I have a bag that I'm going to take to Buffalo Exchange. I'm thinking about going tomorrow because I have a Pilates class after work. And I might just like stop after. I want to bring my clothes in batches because the last time that I went, I brought like 7 trash bags or something ridiculous, and I was there forever. So I want to do it like by category. So I'm going to take all of my denim, sell that off. I have some good stuff. I have like Levi's, Gap, J. Crew, and they're all in like pristine condition. But yeah, so I took a little break. I did a Peloton class. After I tried on my jeans, I was like half of my jeans don't fit me anymore. So I did a quick Peloton class, and then I took a shower. I'm letting my hair air dry so that I can style it before I go to bed. And I'm just gonna finish up dinner really quick. Chicken, that chicken that I showed you guys from Fresh Direct, I'm just reheating it up like that. And then I made quinoa. I made the whole bag because I'm gonna take this for lunch throughout the week. And then I have a pan here, which I'm gonna saute some kale and add a little bit of the quinoa with some butter and garlic and make it delicious. And then I have my sweet potatoes going in here that are looking delicious. I'm gonna let those crisp up a little bit longer. So there it is. I literally just want the kale to get a little bit wilted so it's not so like tough. And I just added garlic and butter in there, and it's sauteed and it's delicious. All right, so here it is, the finished product, the quinoa with the sauteed kale and garlic butter, the rosemary chicken with the chimichurri sauce on top. I don't think I showed that part, but I just topped it with chimichurri as it was getting warmed up, and then some air fried sweet potatoes. And here's my plate. Looks delicious.